How to replace the wireless WAN module. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the foam pad that covers the wireless WAN antenna connectors. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2 mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the top cover. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important: when installing the wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the motherboard.